Assalamu alaikum, it's Umar Usman signing in from the platform of I am Let's Go Together, and today we are creating this tutorial to tell our audience that how to upload a YouTube video. First of all, you should have this software of YouTube. In this software you have to log in first of all with your Google account. After logging in, there is a video option here on the top of the banner. You can record a video, or here you can record a video and directly upload it over here, or you can go through your already recorded video and you can upload it through here. And after you push the topmost button on the right side, you will upload your video. That's all for today. It's Umar Usman signing out from the platform of I am Let's Go Together. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum.